So we're going to learn how to make an airsoft gun. So here's an example. You can get these. I don't know where you can get them, but I got this one at the garage sale. It works pretty good. And I'll show you that after we're done making it. So here's a gun. You can wait for the heads to fall off, or you can just rip the heads off. But I would rather wait for the heads to fall off, then you don't run out of bullets easier. And also, if your things come off and you don't want to use them for an airsoft gun, you can also glue them back on. So we're going to grab one of these bullets without a head. We're going to connect it on. You can use other tapes, but we like to use this kind. You can use under tapes like hockey, how we use for here. And that's how we're going to do this. So we're going to wrap this carefully around. The reason why we do the tape is that so it doesn't run out of air. And this is for this fire. And that is also done. So I'll show you that fire in a minute. This one fires pretty good. And this one fires. And if you, after a while, if you get sick of being an airsoft gun, you can also break it. See how you can break it? Just pop it off. And then you can put it back on. Still be a good gun. So that's how you make an airsoft gun.